Good morning. Good morning, my Christmas buddies, my decorating buddies, and my faithful followers on this beautiful Sunday, November the 17th, 2024. We're only 11 days to Christmas, y'all. No, not Christmas. See how excited I am? 11 days to Thanksgiving. And most of us have already started decorating, if not finished, decorating our homes for Christmas. Well, I wanted to come on and show you some of the things you've already seen and some of the things that I have done that I have not shown you yet. Well, you know that the focal point this year is my 7.5 foot flocked Queen of Christmas, King of Christmas tree. This is the Queen. 7.5 foot flocked. I got it unlit so that I can add lights as I desired in whatever quantity I wanted. And it's easier to, if by chance any lights blow out, get them off and replace them. Yes. For years, I wanted to make an investment in this tree, and they kept going by, and I never made the investment. But this year, bingo, 2024, is the year I did make the investment in the tree. And I knew before I got it that I was not going to overly decorate it because I wanted the beauty of the tree to shine forth. So I decorated it with white and gold and pine cones and snowballs and these ornaments that I have made years ago with the names of Jesus on them because Jesus is the reason for the season. And I could not go a year without having my Jesus tree. So this year, this tree has been deemed my Jesus tree. I usually put up 4 trees, mind you, but not this year. Mama's only putting up 1 tree, and that's this main tree that you see right here. I love this tree because it was made well. It's flocked perfectly to me, and I haven't had a single issue with it. It came, took it out the box, 3 pieces, put it together. They give you long gloves to protect your hands and arms as you fluff out the branches, and the rest is easy. Decorate it the way you want to. I like this flock tree so much that I even got the garland that goes with the tree. It's the Queen of Christmas, King of Christmas, Queen flocked garland. I liked it so much. Not only did I put it there leading into the dining room, I got it to come down my steps. And I also got it to go across my door and side windows. Yes, I did. Keeping with the same colors, the gold, the white, the brown from the pine cones, and snowflakes. I have 2 different kinds of snowflakes. I found those snowflakes at Target, and these snowflakes over here, they're on my tree as well, came from the at-home store. I made those 2 swags to go on either side of my wall painting, and over here in the corner on my gold shelf, I kept some of the everyday decor on there, but I did add little touches of Christmas. And another thing that I really fell in love with more than usual this year is the Norfolk pine branches and the garland and the wreaths. So I did get a few of those. Branches are in there with white lights and pine cones. And on the bottom shelf, there's a bowl with gold bells with black ribbon. Excuse the cords. On this shelf, I have Our Savior is Born, and that's my Mr. Christmas music box with the train going around inside. And I have the Holy Family there, and the Holy Family here, and Jesus in the manger. Here's my dad with a reindeer, the 2 gold trees up the top, my gold storage boxes, that's Daddy's hat, and Merry Christmas above it. Over here on this table, next to my door, I went with a vintage snowman, a Christmas bowl with some vintage ornaments in it. Oops. And the bottom shelf has a bowl with some of those Norfolk pine branches and some gold bells. And that's my everyday white ginger jar. Over here, I was so glad to be able to get my sleigh up again to the first floor from the garage. And I just decorated with Santa Claus is in there, some gold and white presents I got last year from Home Goods. These trees I've had for years, I got on clearance after Christmas from Target. I kept it simple, pine cones, icicles, and I put it in a tin. I had this tin long holder, and I put a fur blanket at the bottom to make it look like snow, just like I have the fur blanket hanging on the side of the sleigh, and just some candles in my black candle holder. I got that little candle holder thing from, I think I got it from Walmart years ago. Over here, oh, let me not forget the big bell I found at Ross. I love that bell, and I almost got these smaller bells when I really was looking for a big bell. And upon getting ready to leave Ross, I happened to look over, and here was a big bell. And I put the small bells back, got the big bell. Now over here on my radiator, I bought this sign, Oh Holy Night, from Aldi's. I had already had the vision to put the Norfolk pine stem branches hanging on top. And on the radiator, I just put 3 brass bells that I also got from Aldi's. And my gold bowl, my reindeer bowl, I just put in the middle, filled it with pine cones, and there's a acrylic reindeer back there, and my angel with his horn, and the hope and love was already on the wall. Now over here at the base of my steps is where I put my console table. Well, it was already there. I bought that some months back from Amazon along with the mirror, because I used to have a tower here and I knew I wanted a different look, and I always envisioned a large mirror, and I just flanked it with 2 gold sconces that I had upstairs. I borrowed them. And on the table I took my long gold tray, and I took some more of those Norfolk pine branches, bent them to fit the tray, and I put candles inside, little pine cones in there, and the 2 reindeer on either side. Underneath, they're not lit, but they're my 2 pine branched, like I forgot the name of it. It's like some kind of branchy material that the trees are made out of. They're rustic. I love them. And they do have white lights on them, but I didn't cut them on, so that's okay. And I put my reindeer down the bottom, who's white. That's white and gold. And I hung my 2 stockings on the brass stocking holders on either side of my fireplace. I usually would hang them coming down the steps, but this year I didn't. Moved the fireplace, y'all, which gave me space to put another tower, which you see, and decorations on them. I took one of my baskets and filled them with faux birch logs, some more of that Norfolk pine branches, stems, whatever you want to call them, and some pine cones, and hung a cream colored throw on the side. Yeah. I even here on the top of my TV stand or cabinet or dresser, whatever you want to call it, I have a Norfolk pine garland going straight down. And I just put simple white lights and pine cones in it. Same way I did with this one, which is the Norfolk pine garland going around the closet, or my little alcove or nook, whatever you want to call it. And I have my nativity stuff in there. Yep, Oh Holy Night. And the sign says Jesus is the reason for the season. And I flanked it on either side of the nativity with my white trees. On the stand that's in the corner, you see how I've decorated with things of Christmas. And actually, guys, I got rid of the fireplace here. It's upstairs. And I got a smaller one. And it can fit on an open bookshelf. And I'm going to put it over here when it's delivered. And I will show you how I did it when it's delivered next week. Yes, this is my recliner. And yes, Snoopy stays in it. He comes out during the holiday. My father and I were avid Snoopy fans. Charlie Brown. That was me and his thing together. He's no longer with us here on earth. He's in heaven. And so when I decorate and celebrate for the holidays, I do it with him in mind, and I do it for both of us. This little table I got from Amazon. Easy peasy, inexpensive, put it together. And I just decorated it with a few Christmas things, as you can see. And I said it would double as a table somebody can eat Thanksgiving on, and also sit in a recliner, and I'll relocate Snoopy for just a few hours. You know, my space is limited, but we're going to all get up in here. You hear me? So basically that's it. My coffee table is two-tiered. I have Nativity, the Holy Family here. Excuse me for shaking the camera. And I have the three wise men over here. These beautiful trees I got from Hobby Lobby. And this bowl, Burlington, what I did was I just put my gold spears in it and sat it on a bed of, this is actually a Norfolk pine wreath. And underneath I have bells and a little gold bowl with pine cones in it, and two candles over here, and my countdown, Santa countdown. It just tells you how many days are left for Christmas. I forgot you push it. It's 37 days, you guys. That's a short period of time. Well, that is basically it for my living room. Did I show you the signs I had up on the other side of the tree? Let me see. This is my little Jesus corner. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And then I have O Holy Night, the lyrics to my favorite song, and the sign here under it says True Love was born in a stable. And back there is the Away in a Manger lyrics to another favorite song of mine. There's my Noel sign. And up here is, I have my sign, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And in the corner is my Joshua 24:15 sign that says, as for me and my house, we shall serve the Lord. Well, I think this video has been long enough. Oh, wait. I have to give a little spotlight to my girl Joanne over here. Is she not cute? I got her from a local garden center the other day. She is my sweetheart. You hear me with her little dress on. But I hope everybody has had a good weekend, and we're all getting ready for the holidays. And Like I said, Thanksgiving is 11 days away. I'm excited. I'm hosting again this year, so bring on the joy, bring on the food. We're thankful and grateful for the time that we get to spend together. Have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for viewing my video. Thank you for being a follower. Don't forget I'm on Instagram under 2 titles. This Girl Loves Decorating is my main one. My Christmas one is The Joy in Christmas. So check both of them out on Instagram. And like I said, have a wonderful rest of your day. And God bless you all. And thank you for sharing the holidays with me and allowing me to show you how I've decorated my home and hope to inspire those who are looking for ideas on how to decorate their space for the holiday. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.